Abusia for me nyina akwa ba bi bra so say yetwetwe man Ghana mu enkomo na no pay yenua Erica Metokwame or member government communication team or consultant national health insurance scheme na no pay obeka yensa e wo ha den komotwetwe na ebrem 144 no betumi de wadwen kire abedmedie so Ametokwa bo
nua
apomboko de
amiadom
na amiadom yesen hia biem smaka yo say chede manya 3
anti we twa ma na dance na
dance na aha
sa no start
because I'm here me share 3 ni wie na maloke etime twa minya be se disi manya 3 ntimi nya san ka 9 ka ho aha na just me exactly quickly and agree ku force wo mu hia public support na manfo enye omunye omonto obobo ase na omunya abotre kakra ema omo na kane asem no ebeto yie ene se utia ese gas ayenya no se VR force omaye se yemre omubi na idibi beka ho dia ebetimi ama kane adundum no se abrase kakra ewo ho so far baby yakokoi ye ya ben se kane adundum na ebetwa na and say he can't say because I say a freck a had a freck a crow has so still I can see any means.
Yo, Tiki, me and Chia, a bushing for no pay. Na Mechia, Auntie Rosina, a Jacum, or Mary Moamitio Quabenano.
Okay.
Why or see or ta a share program we pa.
Okay.
Michiana no pay.
Why are this watch and because a good neighborliness day?
Oh, okay.
And you see the pair, potentially, no when you're fine. Because you nim die be a BBC here on what.
Oh, Tiki says, Sadia. Now, me consume chairman, but I'm for you. I'm new Muti Phanerosis Hotel down.
Okay, that's great.
Quabenya, Michamunina.
Oh, new.
A binim,
will be soon.
Been so whom is a media conaba.
Mumu sort to her. Oh, number most number a fine. Yes.
You TK and Cresse. Yadiaba Pipes Muse, Grid co say, ya dumso no afetiano, Yanyabu Trekakra, and my own support to woman. Say a year planned outage. And na yewa, minim say. Efi enano pay copim enyumrebe 637 ho menya lighter minim se ne am planning me bra afa na tiki entisa nia ekosui entisa
erratic
enti se grid ko for benya asem pa bia ka kire yen omuni electricity company of Ghana and Northern Electricity Department of VRA omune retail distributors no so mbenya bribi pe bia ka kire yan ka be me de eni say yesi ene na molite ebeba so a ebia na ama ena eda ebeba no so no ebetumi adumwa beye imprenson ana imprenum dako eho ena ohaw no titru ewo pa enti se omo se yenhwemu ma wo mo a we de ye wo mu dada ena ye ni tumi bia nso so omo akoye monopoly organization omo nko na electricity organa hei omo ton di mayen enti niamu ma ye beka ne se omo momodi na adwuma no ni hihye se ne omo akase on beye no na nka omo tumi aye amana da ho ama ye nyina ayatimi ehunu se musi ye wo problems na mutimi ma ye 24 hours lighter ni amo hihye se mu de be ma ye no mo be hweso na motumi e de ama ye nsa senia sesen de eyo how sen crofo ni ama bebre e na wo individual no so ntimi plan nya hwe na yanya ne ntie se yan gas company ne wo ato abo no o ma start ema VRA any other power producers na o mo wo aboazi ne takrade no
Ghana gas
for start ema wo mo gas kakra wo mo so ahwe na wɔn sɛ yɛ wɔn tumi de yɛ adwuma sɛ etumi ba ne saa bɛboa yɛn bebree ɛno ɛmma gas a yɛnya fi Nigeria no ɛntumi stop no completely yɛnyɛ self sufficient yɛnya no dodoɔ sɛ yɛ start produce full capacity koraa afi aboaze hɔ koraa ɛntumi ɛmma yɛn gas a yɛpɛ a yɛbɛtumi ɛde ayɛ yɛn adwuma wɔ ɛde produce enough electricity wɔ aboaze hɔ but ɛbɛboa bebree sɛnea mpanyinfoɔ anaa wɔn a wɔn da adwuma no ano akyerɛ no yɛbɛtumi produce 500 megawatts from aboaze from atuabo gas no yɛbɛtumi produce another 500 million cubic feet of
gas no
LPG gas na yɛ use wɔ fie no na overall no save over $500 million a year.
$500 million a year.
Na VRA for almost spendi ska bebree na omo de akra crude oil. Until we ebe masa crude oil importation no aso eswatwa kakra amayen gas at a reasonable price yɛde bɛ power electricity na em say atoabo gas no ɛyɛ ade papa ɛma yɛn te sɛ ba ne sa bɛ ma yɛn home yɛbɛtumi anya savings ɛna domestic gas a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ encourage obi ama ne use sɛ ne bɛyɛ a ɛgya yɛde so ɛne charcoal no ɛbɛ brass no ɛno nso so ɛbɛ boa na nea ɛyɛ ahomka bebree wɔ saa gas asɛm no mu sɛ sisi ya develop another field your friend is 10 field and also western region and another one by Itana 10 field near Tolo and in Crawford na ebin so a friend Sankofa field and no a Italian company from any develop and it is 2 new fields ebesan ama yen gas krama na doso esene ni ayenya no fi Jubilee field sese a yedifa atoabo no enti every 2016 2017 ekono MC ebenya enough gas a ebeboa ama yen electricity production no akọ enim yie pa enti se sa na
ye ni ye kan ye nkokoma bra ye nkosua na
because 10 field no dey almost start construction dada make say construction towards the actual drilling of the gas and the oil almost started dada any for now almost started but almost so any government has signed development agreement enti enyama ewo ekoso a ekire se enche bia no ye benya gas ne bebre amana aboa yen electricity production ya domestic usage and as for some industries oil and gas industries it is chemical industries ne be fertilizer industries ebeboa yen bebre enti ye wa yireshimu ese ye koyen nimu no nyama bebre ebe siye ama Ghana for anya home
sa nyama na ebe siye no ebe siya kwa kodru point bia ebe ye rare say ibedum kanea ana say because my dream say gas na ade etimisa ana entimisa etimisa so that if I say the any kwoto so na yenya bia na say esa then nhye na ye wo say dachi ye ka 20 years 30 years 40 years ba e bia sabre de ye ni bia se biem na ye mabeba no mo so ma struggle ye wo sa plans no ho ana
TK na ye wo mu no say gas supply as a whole e wo wi ase no enya dia ebesa sese enti ye develop yankasa yen dia ye di ebeye electricity na si etimi ye nhihye nsusu se ye betumi akrabi efiamona ni abe supplement yen die te senia ye krabi fi Nigeria ebe ya en ma ye na di sa problems nyina eba no yɛbɛtumi ayɛ nhyehyɛ a yɛbɛnya BFE mmiamia bebree baabi te sɛ Equatorial Guinea sei ɔmo produce gas papaapa
Equatorial
Guinea yɛn hwene ano hɛ ya na
Nigeria also yɛsɛ yɛnyɛ AFCON na ɔmo
sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ no because ɔmo resources ɔmo de bɛyɛ ɛno nso so bɛboa manya ne nteɛ sɛ another company bi a completely private yɛfrɛ wɔn Quantum Gas wɔn nso so develop another plant ɛwɔ tema ɛpo no so a wɔn de gas ne bi ɛbɛba tema area hɔ ama companies te sɛ Asogli any pom
more rely on gas
no tile no so ɛbɛnya bi afiri so there are private companies a wɔn so enter wɔn aba the supply of gas business no more almost supply in commercial quantities say young companies now almost produce electricity from gas no ebenya bi
so ni na tos say benya sufficient energy you better e ho abazesi about sorry ba kon aba e fa kan e ho say ECG to be sold so what kind of person last week so yet now e bisa say first of all na ye no kre na say ye no kre so a edi ensusan so na ho ma ye nti ye dan ho ba yesi abate ka mo se number between the wadwen chitafa so no ye 1441 mo twen yan sima ba ko pe ye be san beto mo sesi a
Mofra. Yes, auntie. Mofra. Yes, auntie. Tini wahin. Yado. Tini wahin. Yado. Panon wahin. Yadi. Panon wahin. Yadi. Papo wahin. Yabo. Papo no wahin. Yabo. Aid minkete. Yakoto. Aid minkete. Yakoto. Aid minkete. Yakoto. Aid minkete. Cheche kule, cheche kofisa langa, kakashilanga, kum alele, pete, Fufuna benkwa. Fufuna benkwa. Clap for yourselves.
for Mwakwaba. Honorable Henry Cote, MP also Central, Honorable Akwaba. Apumbo Cordia. A while ago, we saw her clip Nana Bona. Could I be on baby or more to say what did in dinner?
Papa.
Say, come, bro, for Jomuso.
Ghana, Yamiadu. Yes, some me a coso here and can do a chilica.
And send because okay. Asamba ko ekoso great kufo omuse Ghana fu yenya omo ho abotre na niema yenyina mo bobo niema aba asisi o man mu anu nti edundumadu me kwa kodu sabre ne ne omo ye o kan story na ba bi so yate se VR force omo ye hye se gas no de yetu o Ghana ha ya no mbenya bi na so munya bi dia badondom no ebebrase the bibi or file electricity company of Ghana, who Becca home actually, but here so far, the agreed for work and almost say Muhia abotre Ghana for abotre. No much in the by. In the case of Akoso Modam, dear, because say early this year, and there be an graphic net time said the question I be say, you who say urban here, but about battery and tea account be temperature. I mean, 144 way to me to adjust rubber.
You take him say, the dick means it's here for anyone I watch. Eja do and pay not mean ya quite too much idea.
One to the realm.
Menjan wash and wear, and I'm there bay.
And you wash and wear, the bed doesn't go.
It's not my elite.
Who knew an answer?
It's late if you parliament, Carina mention.
And you constituents and I wish you.
Oh,
your clinic and
friend say
consultation.
The TN say, take your own say. If you are so way, Sabu could be a year, see, and I see a year. Now, so I know dear. The India make us and say, Mekaipa say, President Kufo Amreso, and Dumso ye air cosui. And this is for Kaya. O Mamma young one toyenda. Nemu with them is some Yana and say propaganda and Kasaya Pasi a cat facts, President Kotu Bibima. Facts. Nemunu ena MP yes okay. You better solve a problem. TNT Nsroma. VRA plant was founded by Kufuor government. It generated 110 megawatts. Mines reserve and also generating 18 megawatts. VRA Atoll plant tema 50 megawatts. Emergency plant tema 120 megawatts. Asogli President Kufuor Emereso. Of course, private funding.
Yeah.
Any idea. Obaswa Bui Enyaini. Obaswa Abwazi Enyaini. Osunu Senate Enyaini. Boom, any Zachem. Akosombo retrofit and also so. Where interventions are President Kufuor Emereso. Yeah.
So still your problem in there.
We can say on authority. Say as of 2009, yeah, handy over my NDC abano. Adundum, maybe no. Mekaipa say you were having a drisso. Ojina platform so. And no can say a back power pet adundum bejai. Now, Tiki, I say, me kuta trotro, me di ejuma, me sales no, osi enye. Enti wako trotro station ho. Wako ye campaign sa me de me jika noa, me ye sales papa. Me kuta kaya me di kwe, ne so se me ties yada. Me seat ne buka me yana, me engine yana. Ansana wako kachire kao na se, odi obey sales papa. The American say, NDC for manifesto, one campaign no. Why my Ghana 40 I say one the umba pair adundundundum ebejai. That means when who problems ni na anyasa. And no so and a Ghana 40 say adundundundum ebejai na say munum some be fix the problem di any hallelujah munji power no. Wamunji power no. Na power ni stable. Wamunji power by to me. Na electricity ni stable. 3 years down the line adundundundum they can't fix the problem. Okay? Time for na ye breno e President Kufuor Emereso no. Na ye ntu oyelo. Says onyamia dum ye tu oyelo. Enti no nka e baby po anka abeka so yanka sa ye mwa ye ho kakra. There is too much mismanagement our system.
Mismanagement in Tina.
Mismanagement in information.
But what take Greek for some now more mismanagement do you have say? For example, almost say Akosombo say we share in history as a bafom pa to almost Nigeria gas also mo de bre no ye nya do a wo say nya no.
Very ba. The tia America san say mismanagement, misinformation. And MM. Esan say ye nya promises ahugro if you NDC for time or more opposition, it be seen there. You can't see a president be catcher say gas pipeline, a free say Bibia pipe, or the NA cry. Your friend say presidential debate, or Bekaya, Yankasaka say president, Ignaso, and no catcher, you say within the first 1 year of his term of office, no. He was then the vice president, and now Oba president, and that means kitchen in the over, and on him the air coso, and I'm what. And so Obibeka said he had good, reliable, and technical advice from the expertise. What happened? The woman say, no, Oka said, Greed Kobeba by this time, Abe catch Ghana for say. Yenya Butrea, 77 previous. I think it's an insult to Ghanaians.
But I don't know what I say.
Because it's an insult to Ghanaians.
Sir.
Because at the end start here, no.
Or say it has subsequently appealed to the public to continue to exercise restraint about the perennial erratic power supply as the government continue to address the problem.
And so, FOB, well, money life jacket, a kakakra, Nansuna fan, no, I chase with the Yabotre kakra. Tama na nsuo no fa no e na ensan ka chen say life jacket ni ho nti e be ma obi aba nti no du nsuo ni manage kakra ko baby ade na edu no hwe kuma say last ye yi e wo TV so when ye coastal tike na no ra ho en na mu nyina propro matise Ashanti go face so he o ma retrenchment 3,100 workers. I don't know how true that is. YCG for Ankasanka manager the mine so somebody say almost see a billing for
you back can once more sia
na opening say bani say ya na you really say sebi and so almost say the people matter. Yeah, in Ghana for we matter to them. Say the question we are asking them, do we really matter or they matter for themselves? Me expect senka baby I agree NDC communicated via a radio so and TV so or the chopper.
Hey.
Magana for yes.
A chopper.
Yes. Say.
But the question is that am I deliberately say obey dia ebe man for ho akire knowing very well say Zusanso no enye papa enye session of nipa bi na kan e dum affect omo affect obia affect business affect revenue enye sa
obeni da ben ye ka say ECG boss no yari assign no me dey men ka see apam no say di 1 week.
Yeah, be last week.
So he wasn't the problem. Yeah, Pamuni gas now I say a supply from various angles. VRA 4 see at the moment almost 40 million or something a day. Have they been able to give it out? No, they haven't. Market is separate ministry. 77 previous and yet minister na yedi atena hono and they have I don't doubt his capacity and credibility at all to work as a person. But a moment, no, sad time now, you did this ministry, no, 77 prejudice, here. I just said they also are there. Now, penny o corner, so at the end, and yet, Usikation in the and then you can say in a canoe. At the end, I did 2, 3 swans, and as what the
yeah, question.
Yes.
Yeah. But situation be our vocation in our bopo. The man no de nka emu odu de ba e say de nka hye na pone wo mesi mia utrase no once son abra bebre no
so really asisa yes sir the question I be say Nigeria first started supply gas here na I don't do we you can say papa nko live here ejaya na enjaye enti the esre NDC aban say the one can only manifesto no no so one ba adudududum ebejai sana haruna kan adudududum bejai. It's been 6 years down the line. We are asking them as a matter of urgency to fix the problems. They shouldn't bring us stories. Enjai say them say adundum kra because Canadian guys so na bakakra we dey adundum kra dey sra baby edruno edwumayfo masa me hono sabi me ezongo man to me grow for ezongo for old nim say still ye way ice water no and that's what actually can the digu eyi mo no
we twe eyi no
yeah omo the year ice block na nopa once we yi e dey ama wen a e beton so enum no bi tumi di twa the rent enum no bi yesusu be a 5 Ghana a day.
Just a yempo.
Now we're to
say, do mom.
There be iOS. Free is now one day, say you money, and I say, cost of for on free a diama, I say, one more by Malata, Everton, Namunka, I say, I feel go back to the industries. mo hai tike generator me ya sure say mo so mo be so be ka
me tata no dia
ma me yen ka no press fuel ahe e na mo tobo so me e de rani adwuma amurani na se 77 prediasa say despite the nine nyina ho a e be do mre bi wa here program yen tumi nya biom all because of one thing enti yesra aban no say oman be ye education be ye health be ye bibia be ye one key issue power go baby a mean sro di du no onyame na ya adom se ibola kura onyame amana paye hunko onyame mani nyesa amaye
amen
na se de e kono yi se kolebu last meeting se so mo light kura nye papa dike mien ka no prepa se bia odofo bi ye de na koye ye no operation na light call off na bia generator hospital nye juma can you imagine what will happen?
We are told that next year, nyame aduma early part of next year, be as na be brase. You see, nya gas ni ade. Wo hwa aban hyehyɛ na wo hu no saa. Bibia ma parliament kyerɛ sɛ aban keka no ho. Wo hu bibia saa.
Tige. Me papa tifie. Every week be also next week dey o kwa may fine.
Yeah.
Emre no so a also na emu nye. Oba me say promise na be 10 times ah. Ebe do mre bi no. Be hu ade no so de abesi manimu a. Empo so de si manimu a. Ni se ma fa e de ko e de akɔhwɛ me dem e yusu ansa na me hu se ampa me papa ka no kra kyerɛ me. As we speak, bibia ni ho mbeka. No way.
I just want to say can you see so you.
Now last 2 weeks here on Fabia my front page. Okay. Oh, we can say say there commercial there be a test run. Okay, at all.
Yeah.
Almost communicators got TV so hallelujah. Say there at Twitter. Why is Gridco coming back now to tell us to exercise patience?
TK yema wakwa ba wuni ho no kwa me ageti obodwuma wo wachi pa nti ya na se yuma na se krada TK ade nti na Ghana politician fo da bia wo pese o mo bo o mo ankasa party ho ban na mo nwene Ghana fo ho eno ye question na yenu obisa TK from a foster me pese mbisa se na power no ebi wo new ECG boss na aba na ebi hye de bottom na TK me pe Adekye Nsroma hwe papa na nso ECG fo de omo ye ne de enye tese mo adum no kambeka se mono kwa obi hwe ni TV masa akodum no so aka ho aba we Christian Mensa from Kaswa dumso country ono so de ode ato Ghana no right other text messages no efa discussion we health aids no hunti e be pass mi pa ni bi wo ho no be kasa e chinti amontwen ameto ise bibi wo ho e betimi agi agina so aka se end insight na but uni ha se uni aka o se wo hwe ne ma na ekona yesi VR for say mo je gas no bi nso aba nti no ebia sa ne ma we say no e betimi ese no but meto back to ECG asem no first of all what bibi sa say ECG e beton na obi bibi sa say e beton a so apart from say bia say staff no na bia be mo akofie no is it a big deal?
TK my call ECG asam no so but me was some ba kumienu bi eka efia honorable ni presentation na o ye no
so also we ya adwen
TK ya nyina ye wo krom ha na se obi eti se a member of parliament na so wanya ntie except for a greater part of a year or so. It's a major source na yenya yen gas. I fi Nigeria. Pipe no. A shen ship says an efreno. A shen a bubuno. Entina yenya gas in free Nigeria be mi mama pa. A sogli plant na wo temano. My over 200 megawatts of power. Enya sogli kwa na use gas. Plants are na omu ewo takrade no so bebre use gas. Na se e banesa wo be den wa run sa plants. Mi kai pa se e brana MPP wa be mu president Kufuor no. Sa power program ye persist ya well over 1 year continuously. Na yenya yes say na problem no na etie.
Na no she say.
Say na etie.
Na no she say.
offer say na net ya na wo mo kotuto machines bi edi buy say eno no be so ano some machines no ebi so na waboboi na Dr. Reku Bribe from toy machines. Toy machines no makotuto na and so problem na no. Say at that time enna ye tinasi ehunu ye a year plan as a country say we need plants ebema yen large volumes of power. Enna ye hu hihye ya. Nanka enye eni say ene yes, I have problem. In the early 90s, in the early 90s, you starting power problems. See, a bina a wasono, Boazi, which now is one of our major sources of electricity production. That is what we should do. Yes, started with 2007.
Yeah.
At the tail end of the attempt, 90%, over 90% of the work that was done at Bui was done under this government.
90%?
Over 90% of the work.
Over there is all 100, no.
Of the work. Of the work that has to. That been Bui, Buiano. And last year.
Don't mislead them.
And last year.
Just over 90%.
Yes.
And
I can say, TK, short of being specific. Say hold paper biawa say in 2009 ena NDC ba bem abepim last year and sana ye buiano then you can imagine the volume of work that has to be
could it also be say be na mo delay
there be ye buy we never stopped ye buy we never stopped because we made sure continue the work until it was commissioned. So, well, or a politician, so I cannot blame him for the way he approached the issue. But me feels as a problem. Say, we must look at it more realistically than putting all the blame on one regime.
Okay.
Say, so we catch our ticket. We catch our say we were power sufficient in 2009. Because we couldn't have been. We couldn't have been. That problem see
but that's our time no so said the ginemu pa be say 1 or 2 years the as no
yes I know ebeye din because nema to say gas na ema no I am problems na compounded more than what it should be.
Then ema gas number
problem say ya boss back
say any sika de kwakoto
ana ye to ayentua minti say Nigeria for complain that say VRA edi wonka minti bi so bi atibi dia o paper bi mu ne ya twere ana say radio station bi na announce am de no kranie minti bi na ne wom no say Nigeria for ankasa gas no na say omo susu ehia so they have never been able to say on be supplying quantity of gas here you bet me they are running machines. They have never since West African gas pipeline their commission they've never been able to supply the full complement of the gas we need. Ubisa VRA for they will even and story mukra or mutre that is one part and here say ya nyankopon ya adoma ya nya gas kakra yes supply and the good part of it is that there are more on stream to come. So these are the things we should look at. Na me they say GMPC4 akwakoji won loan say de developing infrastructure in order to receive the gas that will come from Tenfield and also come from the Sankofa field. They should develop similar facility. Yeah, developer yeah DG gas every Jubilee field. But take ebe yo say loan ya wo akwakoji na ye nuanom nipa parliamentarians miensa from MPP. The GMPC koko to say omunti asie
and so almost kwan am fa so no kwan am fa so agi loan and na wo ho asem
na say company which is a legal personality on its own, can use its own records, its own books, and go to a bank and say that we want to borrow money from you. This is what we do. These are our capabilities. These are our resources, and we can pay you back. What is wrong with that?
We say enyemra, we say emra. Nti bia court no beboa ye me resolve sade no. Nye nipa entiase but
take send am hu no constantly no. Me say ya na akakakra wo yanuanom ho because because wo di atoabo
wo ka akakakra person je say.
Yeah, wo di atoabo Freeport asemi e de to ho a. The same thing, Parliament passing a project with a loan component, whatever it is. As a project, young pharma company we now nye. Muankasa more Parliament to honor as a court to say court unblock that project. I don't think it is fair.
Okay, just a minute now. Can ECG the a minute best one. Honorable Bachomani, we are on no so answer. TK, there would be the Ashimpreco. ECG, what is asking?
Mate, but let me say, Bear Busumi and Abusumi, Ministry of Energy and Petroleum Resources. Almost issue statement to be. I see, and yet no cresse. Yeah, but UCG as a company. But as at now, no, say no, there is a restructuring program. Womu a year. Part of it in say womu revenue collection will be privatized. Part of it in say womu maintenance will be privatized.
Private hands. Private. Into enya dia ECB gibenya adwumayefo a omo maintenance.
Yeah.
But Ubini
another company. That is what I have heard. And the Ministry of Power, Energy and Petroleum Resources we issue press statement about that. In fact, as no buyer no more say because of the $500 million compared to United States for the Amayano. That was the reason why. And the ministry came out to explain.
I'm not forbidden to say ye ton even if outright. Na se ma yenya kanea. Why not? I didn't know what say say ye be ya say isru ye be ya. Say ne be cure problem na I always say na why not? Just 1 minute.
So omo dwin sa omo ho kwan say omo dwin sa. But nyama bebre wo ho a yenta and Jamusa because of the way our energy and our electricity is important to the country.
I'm telling you, sir, na yisuro say si Jamu de beba no. And also the experience in there.
Yeah,
I'm fan say be say nsuo make us man panic for no penso. Yet it say nka ja private umbema private hands have been water privatization. Be ya asem kese power Ghana. Nso minim say Ghana ha ye wo communities bebre ho a omo na to omunsuo so that even if yenye privatization umpa omo they are in private hands omo to nsuo abansuo mfa omo tap mu da ebisi sabre ya yakasai
yo tk nia wo ken ya asemo a eyem say agina fa no won a wo mu dwin say etonkra na ebeton na company na ebeba no wo mu ebetimi amaye na ehwehwe a let it go. Now, on our woman, Mimika home. Say, ye jai a very important
company with ECG, private hands altogether.
Edema private hands altogether. Okay, Mamma, just one example. United States, the port of New York, they put it on international tender. Say, one more beer or private, number managing, and an Arab company won the tender. They cancelled it because they don't want an Arab company to manage a port like New York.
But yes, any other company,
free Britain and America, they would have allowed it.
Okay, Honorable, the Baba ECG. Now, obviously, Miss House said, "Oman peniku 4 pence. Power bank and on the bag Ghana, what they can't home. Emsa na bo bi dada but no questions are say power sign na mo de beka ho na J suhum na de we say bae but appear Kumasi so yi na no o say o mampani ku fufo pen so oboa ma West African gas project no course so you use HEPEC funds so anyway honorable
TKM say answer na course no for the benefit of Etiefo no mepa miniano cho say he has indirectly indicted or insulted parliamentarians and he should withdraw it by saying say yeah na on TSC but on chile mu kakra na mi enkra ni mi ntitwi da se ento on chile
baby me meti ase se be say waste time no say ani man me say be meti ase no say ya de parliament awie ti usan for achi say what dey court say what nti ase a na ohunu ba bia ugina say ase ugina ha
okay it's very simple say minti bribi ase a oyaw I don't understand your behavior. I don't understand.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Say no ntiasie. Let me educate you. Say parliament adwuma no sebi enye chamber no ene etra yo no pe. Your parliamentary select committees. Into bi wo energy, e bi wo interior, e bi wo works and housing. Na ho no ne ko trans na say minority. E bi a bibi ba na se yempe a ye protesti dem ye protesti ni nyina ewie na se ye report wi a ni ye ba house na ni ya be vote o meaning to onim so mo no ndc numbers e do so twen ye de
yeah
enti ye ka na se house no kura mo ampene na se mo se ye yempe o ye nti obi a mo be pass ya enu nti e na court wo ho no that means a nipa no court he is going as a citizen of the Republic of this country, say on TBB say or challenge. It is on Tiasia and then Machinas here. Tell me, I feel the Oceano Fanco. Say numbers. Here 17.5. Who was that? I feel 89 sorry PA. Because you can say, and yet, Moody Susan so be black Ghana for
the workings of that 17. Yes, it's true because the effect is not 17.5. Namuntiasia. You should say that.
Entino
afrimoti ase afri na monti ase no waka monti ase
se onu no e call line bi a etiefo no hwe no enti meja na etiefo hwe no tiki assuming without admitting say ye beton ECG na media ayem say enunti na ECG boss ni etwa ni ti no
oh sir
because
so no purely speculative
sani yetiti say osi on play but if that should be the case
and speculation
I said assuming without admitting all right say assuming without admitting na say ban say ye beton ECG are dangerous because it has a
even
lot of
if ton means say portions of more operations no na ebia say maintenance no nipa or no doors no do and I carry a ball mo ho no if you say the private hands ebia o mo be more effective ebia revenue collection say ka say ya sika no kromo nkoje but ye mfa ma obi no nkonkoye other agencies say yes anima no
it has a lot of national security implications dangerous as a country want to me privatize and now offload shares ma sebi obi fufuro enfini kurumu and mama managing ma it will be a very dangerous thing to do and I hope and pray to God say baby aye dre 21st century Ghana mine ye pesi ye tumfon ekwanim no yen offload yen shares emma private company enya majority shares so na so China so decide say and Ghana nyina wodum yen kan ye be den
no but Tono, is it about the shares and I say about the operations no be no say
dey no and na me chere say Uton sa company many panwa. Sebi period. Enya Ghana for nebe ejuma no. We have all the expertise in this country.
But all the expertise is just what all the dooms all men.
Bibi enko yie. Sa bibi no enko yie no. Aban internase. He should get a consortium so that he will be advised properly. Na say advice mo so a memma on jumpo Ghana no. Say he advice no Monday 6 o'clock no about TV so no aba my promise. Don't find out a lasting solution to the problem. Because me said construction was a cost bebre wa Ghana yi say be expertise ahe na eba on va nye Ghana electrician no use onye Ghana mason no use na say be obroni brako jira yin or si put it here we have a lot of expertise in this country pa mechanical plenty engineers and architects enya sem ketwa na emom no ye ma sa opportunity no obroni ba say be untumi wine politically waba so be na dwuma and enwuma bi wo ho ana decisions bi wo ho a edru mre bi edunti na fiti ase me ka so ko bi yi ase na se ye na yi a no so de hwe enen nsemo be nyina no senka NDC 4 time no and no muti ase say look electricity water yen fa de say a national agenda nti yen hwe kwan e be fa so devoid of any politics ni emwa e man nye yi nka nei nkomo dia be ni aka say o yeso ye dia be mo boa ye say Ghana for yen hwe
nti payback on
enye payback. What we want them to do is to stop the comparison because ye mre no ye tumi anye yo mo dia maba mo ni manifesto enuti e na Ghana for say ye brother say mo dia mo ni problems ni nyina dia mo nye enti no ya na ye be fere ye kakra say they go back to compare 6 years ago Masa is not right ye di tumi ama from 2008 fix it, don't compare again because after 6 years no it is now becoming clear say you don't have the solution because I got 2 years back and me person Ghana 40 years say yeah no mo say your mama first term na you vote to my NDC until they are in their second term of office, not your mama first term. NDC former second term never no your mama dear Sebi
so na president
bibi na
ba so kasa your mama dear
president your mama bibi na ba na ban say obedi president emum no NDC near to abama into come 2 years it you omo kasa omo kai say they have been in office for 6 years and they can't solve a problem 2 years na can only solve tike yesterday but they me nyanti details no I don't want to speculate you be pa abancho pa say you see the me man fan saminka onhwe kwan obefa so ne solve problem sa ne ati etumika say HFC kura omo person omo so ye omo ton ati HFC Home Finance
I hope say almost stake in HFC no intact meaning so what is asem
I hope say e bad say e beto yi si onyame pengu enko it say 40 for the ab and no dey na fe be ka say oh it is sheda na epra Ghana for that Ghana for bi no so beto ana
okay
oh this is just assuming
TK oni ho no ye feel pa so nua no oyade pa na mmom ka kira aban say atrosem sa aka na ebetwa sa be si sa bre ye da so tim TK MPP pen so na omo to fuel emma VRA but aban we pen so de omo to fuel no emma VRA is that the case
tama na gas no ni ho na de no de produce electricity da bro
TK NDC for omo ni experience bia omo de bebu oman no eno ho asem no busuafo power ho asem na ye ka no last week me ni ha no asem ba kwan mani age ho pa beto odwa ne se yesi UK sebi ni pa agya nan omo de aye ba asade na nam krom yesu yete hedundum kan ya agya nan ye obi bola ye obi bibia ye obi ye wo nipa no susu bi ho na kasa da bi ye bi ye dundum no de free ho nti ya nkasa yasem ite de agyanan eye bas mani tuko na yete ha yentimi enye bia na ya nkasa yasem ameto te asem no say UK omaye ainam UK mountain so obi se Ghana ha ba ha
enye nwanwa because agyanan no ye de gas enti se car no bus ni engine running on gas and it's
yes because of so many agyanan into the coast speed honorable what is asem no
think we dey man 1 minute be na me can be in charge because
that be one come asem no be am
agyanan de nka ye kapa nka Ghana ye de do so share
sa
la vida hil kura de bu se nge na ka da beto ko na me bompae se da chi bia no Ghana be do some pempenso no se ensemu a aye national agenda no We'll move away from it. Near Pequania, a bit to me, ama or mine for Ghana to move forward.
Far and yet politics again.
Absolutely.
Quickly, I mean, can we say in story now? I has seen, in fact, picture no crowd. I say, I'll say the UK's first bus powered entirely by human and food waste has gone into service between Bristol and Bath.
Wow.
Now, the 40-seat biobus runs on biomethane gas generated through the treatment of sewage and food waste. No. A bus no picture na wa say no chena nyame adoma ye beyi ne ye de atoso he nkrofo ne kwa akofo no bus no so ne fe na no saa se mu ba ya ne ye di nkomo obi se eba na se mu kofa NDC agya na begumu a MPP fo mfro se before so kofa NDC
ejana no ye be differentiate
o say can it be differentiate ada go kokra mi no ko it be who say we NDC akoko we MPP akoko
anya isa na ma we no ma ebe
ha papa party abusu afọ bra ntimu kwa mo nko kan na ebi enka Ghana de enka ye bus de enka break creatia so enyina because ye de na anu ye hye papa abusu afọ da masepa ye peje mu ochina nyame ya aduma ebe sa hye da bi fa so je 1 minute so second
na me can now say
na so age awie
Mr. Me constituency for bridge bi da ahaya mo chiri kai am say mo krofo kro fa so de ko alajo your friend Sam Cinema ebubu kura na me pese afedi maka ntimeka ne public
okay
ma complainia say the tie no mean to me free carpenter for say wemba cause the tie no here expert urban rules for ni maka ntino mesra mo this is a death trap
nti obi fa so a onye careful
na migusuara me presse so nyame madomo a ai onbetie me no ma be because eno na connect tesa no ne abele npe ni alajo eda mo chi ya
okay
say dia na ehun kakra
okay yo abusuafo msa asem na no nti se kwa kofa so no aye careful ameto be dase no abo so dase ye pija mu ochina nyame adoma e be hye ne ka se December mu na yedu no no pa me kan se nka ubetumi a na nka cash kakra wo ho adibia sa abri na nka fi be 20th no spare wo ho na tena wo fi na didi good enye se 23rd afi na na mo to so visa na is be adwen pa abusuafo ye pija mu ochina nyame adoma e be san hye bi me da mase.
The nation is full of surprises. Be seen that we still live in crisis. Cantamanto, Kokoshen, Yama prices. ECG for some who play one more tactics. And then I doom so watching on a pipe. Tonyama so ne ye bedroom the 5. Fele wa gallon